shoot. Shumot ka pa sa top spot halos ng main vibe.
Supporters mo deserve na ka-serve, yes, mga V's. Keep on streaming and voting for our main vibe top 4, Elijah!
Thank you, mga V's. I'll see you soon. I'll see you guys soon.
Basta ha, black off mo na ha, Sabado.
Kita-kits tayo, guys. Magkikita tayo soon.
Alam mo na.
Love you, guys.
Thank you very much, Elijah!
Yun, man. Isa pang artist sa ating main vibe leaderboard ang hindi nagpahuli sa Mousetrap. Let's vibe away!
Welcome back again. Ito si Jun Sisa, dati nasa Uprising siya, ngayon nasa main vibe stage.
And that is
Palakpakan
because of you
natin.
guys.
Yes.
very much.
Jun, you have one of the most supportive fans na patuloy bumuboto sa iyo at nag-iingay sa social media para makapag-perform ka dito.
Cesareans, oh?
Yes, now that you're here, ano ba dapat abangan ng Cesarians at V's natin sa iyo?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank lahat ng mga V's na bumoto, mga Cesarians ko, maraming salamat. And thank you rin po sa VibePH dahil binigyan nyo yung mga baguhang artist ng chance para makanta yung mga songs nila. No? Yes. So, I would like to invite everyone, lalo na mga Cesarians ko, on May 29, meron po akong bagong single. It's called Pagmasaya Na Ako. So, I hope you guys could support it.
Yo, once again, Jun Sisa, everybody, make some noise!
Vibing next, we're down to our top main vibe artist of the evening. Plus, exciting performances